In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use track changes in Microsoft Word. If you've ever heard someone mention revision mode, this is what they mean. Track changes lives on the Review tab, and it's the backbone of clear peer review, instructor feedback, and careful self-editing because it records every modification in one place. First, turn it on. Open your document, go to the Review tab, and click Track Changes. You'll know it's active when the button looks highlighted. From this point on, anything you or a collaborator type, delete, or reformat is captured. Insertions appear in a designated color, deletions show as striped through or in balloons in the margins, and formatting tweaks are annotated as well. This visual trail helps you see exactly what changed and why, without losing the original text. Comments are your space for ideas and questions without touching the main content. Highlight the text you want to discuss, go to the Review tab, and choose New Comment. A balloon opens in the margin where you can add notes like, clarify this claim, or add a citation later. Keep comments specific and actionable so reviewers understand what needs attention. Next, choose how you want to view the edits. All markup displays every insertion, deletion, and comment, which is ideal while you're actively reviewing. Simple markup shows the cleanest version of the document with a small red line in the margin to indicate there are changes. Click that line to toggle back to all markup as needed. No markup shows what the final document would look like if all changes were accepted. Be careful here, if your instructor requires visible revisions, don't submit in this view. Original shows the document before any edits, giving you a clear baseline to compare against. When it's time to decide on the feedback, use Accept and Reject in the Review tab to manage edits one by one. Click Next or Previous to jump through revisions quickly so you don't miss anything. This controlled pass ensures you understand each change and keep the document consistent. If someone edited a separate copy without track changes turned on, you can still see what's different. Go to Review, choose Compare, and select Compare two versions of a document. Word generates a new file that highlights the differences between the original and the revised version. Save that comparison with a clear name so you can refer back to it easily. For more details on collaboration features, check the official Microsoft support documentation on track changes. With these tools, you'll keep your revisions transparent, organized, and submission ready.